Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and for lunch today I'm having a piece of Kentucky Fried Chicken along with their coleslaw, some grape salad that my worker made for me, and I paid her for all the ingredients and she taught me how to make it. So I got grape salad and then two small cucumber snackers, kind of these little ones that I get in the pantry or in the produce box. So that's what I'm having for lunch today. I got a little bit more of the grape salad and I gotta eat it up before I gotta throw it away. It's starting to get a little liquidy. But I'm gonna go and enjoy my lunch, and as always, may God bless each and every one of you to overflowing. May He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now. See you next time.